really fantastic. Actually, the first time I heard him was on YouTube only. But I'm not expecting that I will see him live tonight. So tonight's really gives me more inspiring words. She inspired me a lot, actually. I know it will be a great change for me. Especially that I heard him saying his during his teens, his younger years. It's really inspired me because during that time I also have some what is this stories same with him. Actually, aside from his being number one, he's very young, you know. Others are I'm not comparing with the age, but right now that the more you is young, the more you is more get more knowledgeable, especially now that we are on internet. Everybody is watching you, you know. And aside from this is based on his story. His story based on his past, especially now that I heard about his family. It really inspired me. It's really different things from others just reading books, others just getting from facts like this. But the one that inspired me a lot because he based his story based on himself itself. The experience he has since his younger years until now. That is the best to, in my opinion, this is the best way how can I distinguish Mr. Kevin as number one from the others. He's being young and his experiences that he keeps on sharing it to us. That is the most. Now that I have seen him action live, as in I've seen him speaks live, now I can recommend to my friends, to my family, first on his books, first on the YouTube. I got the 3 links on the YouTube. When I get home tonight, I will share first on my Facebook account. That is the best way. I will use Mr. Kevin through internet. Actually, that is the best way that I can recommend aside from the emails. No, number one is that, especially that we are talking mostly on Facebook. Internet is the best way, so that everybody will make Mr. Kevin as well known, not only here in Qatar but throughout the world.